Hey everyone, we're in Build a Boat, and this is actually the first Build a Boat video that we're doing. So, yeah, we're just eating cake because we like cake.
We're literally eating diabetes.
Anyways, so we're gonna be doing a mech fight actually, which is a good start. So,
So
let me.
first we're gonna have to
Jacob, join a different team.
and turn on PvP. Lots of people don't know this, but if you go to settings in the left, you can actually turn on PvP, which some people actually don't know. So that's a little fact. Anyways, so we're gonna mech fight, and it's gonna be entertaining for you viewers.
Okay, so, whoops. Whatever. This is my robot.
Yes.
I call him the Cookie Crumbler.
To me, he's kind of like Cookie Monster on steroids.
Yeah, kind of.
No. Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, because he has like a cookie chest plate. And
Yeah. Okay, wait. Don't start the mech battle yet.
but sometimes you would call it Ultra Wheel Robot. I just had to delete some stuff because So let me get the cake.
Oh my god, yes. Sometimes I call my mech a demon mech, but that's not that.
Yeah, he has actually really cool mech. So this is my mech over here.
He has more detail on like his mech.
Yeah, I spent a lot of time on this one. So
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, there. I'm firing at him. Shoot him down.
Never underestimate me. I have a force field and you only have cookies. It's so dark I can't even see.
Ugh. Oh.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer? Every night, I can feel my leg.
He just destroyed me.
Okay, to be fair, I'm gonna turn off my force field.
Yeah, I'm gonna use a different mech this time because that one isn't that effective. This one I like to call Meta Knight.
Okay, this is gonna be our new rule in mech fighting, where we have to like
Only level 1 force fields. Only level 1 force fields.
Yeah, I have level 6.
Yeah, so there. What?
Oh my god, I can see you flying. Ugh. Destroy the panel. You may notice that my mech is really thick. Don't blame him. He just has big bones.
Hold on. I haven't used this mech in a while, and it pretty
Yes,
much
I
just
got one
broke.
arm. Yeah, we're still. These are kind of like beta mechs, where they're kind of not really worked out yet.
Yeah.
He has a shield. Yeah. Oh shoot! I just arcade yo. I can't pronounce it correctly.
He cannot speak.
RKO your mech. I RKO'd you.
My robot is falling.
Oh, our friend just
Don't pay attention to him.
Yes.
I'm gonna tell him more. Hold on.
Oh, he joined my team.
Okay. Okay. So.
Oh my god.
Hey.
Oh
Oi.
wait, our friend just joined the battle. He has a tank.
A tank.
Sadly, he's not with it in the recording, so sucks. Okay.
Hold on.
Sadly, we only have 5 minutes to record because there's a small problem on YouTube where we can only record 5 minutes, and it's 5 minutes, so I guess we have to end the video.
Alright, it was quite a short video, but hope you enjoyed that. Okay, bye.